Okay, so here we have an equation. We collect terms. This term and this term are multiples of the I vector. This, and so is this one. And this term and this term are multiples of the J vector. So we get this, right? And it's a simple algebraic rearrangement. There can be no misunderstanding of that. Okay? Now the I and the J are totally independent. Okay? So we get the I components give us this, right? The J components gives us this, right? Now this is two simultaneous equations. Do we have enough? What quantities do we know? What quantities were we given? Well, the relevant thing that we have is mu and m, right?
And G.
Again?
And G.
Well, yeah, that's automatic. The information given by the problem is this, right? So, what do we know? We know m, we know mu, right? What can we determine from that?
We can solve
Well, we don't know f meg, right? So we're not going to be able to do much with this. We're not going to be able to calculate the x acceleration, okay? Even though that was kind of the first thing somebody wanted, because you're very comfortable with uniform accelerated motion and doing very well with it, right? Moving out of our comfort zone, though, we're talking about something different here. We don't have a constant acceleration over this interval, okay? We can't use that. But the thing we can get here is, well, we know G. We're given the mass, so we can find Fn. Okay? Now up here, we can at least find mu times Fn, right? Now that's not a formula that you memorize or even ever use, because it's so simple when it applies that you don't have to memorize anything, okay? You don't have to have that in your lexicon of engineering formulas, okay? And you do need a lexicon of engineering formulas. Some of them are so subtle that nobody can figure out where they came from. Somebody just made them. No, I don't know about that. Okay? A lot of them are empirical formulas. They have no justification except that experiment shows us that this is what happens. Okay? Okay, well anyhow, we can get mu Fn, right? Okay? So now where do we go?